Ever tried copying effects or settings in Capcut but couldn't figure out how? Don't worry. This quick tutorial will show you how to copy attributes in Capcut in just a few clicks. First, import the photo or logo you want to animate into the Capcut timeline. Place the photo exactly where you want the animation to start. Now turn on the transform keyframe. Create the first keyframe at the starting position. Move the playhead forward a few frames. Change the position, rotation, or scale to create movement. Again, move forward a few more frames. Adjust the position, rotation, or scale to continue the animation. Repeat this process. Move forward a little and adjust the transform settings. Repeat this process. Move forward a little and adjust the transform settings. Repeat this process. Move forward a little and adjust the transform settings. Until your animation is complete. Now play the video to preview the animation. Next, add another photo to the timeline that you want to apply the same animation to. Right-click on the original animated photo and click Copy Attributes. Then, right-click on the new photo and click Paste Attributes. And click Paste again. Hide the old animated track and play the video to see the new photo with the same animation. That's it. You've successfully copied animation attributes in Capcut. Easy, fast, and time-saving.